Question number 6e. Let fx equal to x plus 1 power 3, x minus 3 power 3. The first function will be f, the second will be g. That means we have to use product rule here. Product rule for f and g. Differentiate above with respect to x. When you differentiate fx, you will get f dash of x. F remain constant, differentiate g, plus g remain constant, differentiate f. Then you continue differentiating x minus 3 power 3. That means we have to use x to the power n formula. You will get 3x minus 3 whole thing square d by dx of x minus 3. Next also, for d by dx of x plus 1 whole thing cube, use x to the power n formula. You will get n and then x plus 1 power 2 d by dx of x plus 1. Then the next line, d by dx of x minus 3, d by dx of x you will get 1, d by dx of 3 constant you get 0. That means you will get only 1 from here. So 1 I will not write it. From here also d by dx of x plus 1 you will get only 1. So I will not write it here. And then next line, you have x plus 1 whole thing cube, x minus 3 whole thing square, x minus 3 whole thing cube, x plus 1 whole thing square. 3 we can take common first. Here I have x plus 1 whole thing cube, here I have x plus 1 whole thing square. So I have to take common x plus 1 whole thing square, the smaller one. X plus 1 whole thing square I will take common. Next, x minus 3 whole thing square, x minus 3 whole thing cube, take x minus 3 whole thing square, the smaller one. So what will remain? I have taken x plus 1 square, remaining is x plus 1. From here remaining is x minus 3. And then the next line, you remove the bracket, you'll have x plus 1, plus only you have to multiply, plus into x plus x, plus into minus will give you minus 3. And then from here x plus x you will get 2x, 1 minus 3 you will get minus 2. Again from here 2x minus 2, taking common will be 2. So I'll take it outside 2. 2 multiplied at 3 you will get 6. Remaining here after taking 2 is x minus 1. Next step for finding increasing and decreasing is we have to use this one. For increasing or decreasing, we put f dash x equal to 0. Then from here we'll put all the value of f dash x equal to 0. Next, 6 cannot be 0, so this term should be 0. And then from x plus 1 whole thing square we will get x plus 1, we will get x equal to minus 1. X minus 3 we will get x equal to 3. X minus 1 we will get x equal to 1. So we draw this point, we plot this point on the line interval. Minus infinity, after minus infinity what will come first? Minus 1 will come first. After that 1 will come, and then 3, and then infinity. So we divide this point in the following intervals. We divide the above points in the following intervals. So I draw a table here. Interval is, the first one is minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity to minus 1. Second is minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1, and then 1 to 3, 3 to infinity. So for the first interval, let me check. 6 is always positive, so I write it plus positive. X plus 1 whole thing square. Anything that contains square will always be positive. X minus 3 square also positive, so we check only for this one only. Take any point from here. I'll take it because after minus 1, this side will come minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So I'll take minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 1, you'll get minus 3. So it will be negative. So multiply all this, plus into plus into plus into minus, you'll get minus. When it is negative, that means strictly decreasing. And then for the next interval, minus 1 to 1, 6 always positive, square positive, square positive. And then for x minus 1, take 1 point from here, minus 1 and 1. You can take 0, 0 is in between them. So 0 minus 1, you'll get minus 1, you'll get negative. So you'll have negative here, again strictly decreasing. And then 1 and 3, these are positive, positive, positive. 1 and 3, you can take 2. 2 minus 1, you will get 1, positive. So all of these are positive, so you'll get plus, positive, then strictly increasing. And then 3, comma, infinity, positive, positive, positive. 3 to infinity, you can take 4 or 5. Let me take 5. 5 minus 1, you'll get 4, positive. So all of these are positive, so strictly increasing. So it is strictly increasing in which interval? 1, 3, and then 3, comma, infinity. Strictly decreasing in minus infinity, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Up to that much will be the answer.